Hey guys, for today's video I just want to show you how to make this delicious colada morada, which is a traditional hot beverage from Ecuador. It's very easy to do, and something interesting to know is that they make this beverage as a part of the celebration of the Day of the Dead or Dia de los Muertos. It is very easy to do, so let me show you how to do it. What you need is pineapple, different berries like blueberry, strawberry, blackberry, spices like cinnamon, lemongrass, starred anise, and clove. Now mix all these spices in water and let it boil for a couple of minutes. Meanwhile this is boiling, just start cutting your pineapple and strawberry in small pieces. After you finish with this, you can start blending the different berries. You can remove all the spices from the water that now contain all the flavor and add the mixture that you make already with all the berries. If you don't like too much the texture of the seeds, you can remove them like I did. Now add the pineapple and the strawberries and let it boil for 15 minutes. Meanwhile this is boiling, you can mix 3 spoons of cornstarch with half glass of water, and now you can add it to the rest of the ingredients. Mix it very well because cornstarch sometimes gets to the bottom of the bowl and you don't want it to get burned, so mix it very well. Now you can add sugar, honey, or brown sugar, whichever you prefer, and let it boil for 15 more minutes. And that's it guys, this recipe is very easy to do, super delicious. I usually make it once a month because I really like it. And this is the video for today. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!